Hey guys, I am Mallika Boobna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing another makeup look. We will be achieving exactly this. I am going for a party tonight and we have exactly 1 hour to get ready. So let's get this thing started. Before that,
hydration is very important.
okay, so I'm starting with prepping my skin, which I've already done, but I'm gonna be putting an oil. It's from COSRX. Next, I'm gonna be using my Estée Lauder primer. I will then go ahead with my color corrector from LA Girl in the shade orange. I'll be blending it all out using my beauty sponge. I will then go ahead and use my foundation from Too Faced in the color Sand. After the foundation, I will go ahead and apply my NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. After the concealer to set everything in place, we will use our Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Kunafa. I like to put a little bit everywhere. Once our baking is done, we will then move to our eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'll be using the shade Burnt Orange and Sienna as my base color. I am then taking the shade Mulberry from the same palette and applying it on the outer ends. Once we're done with that, I am then gonna apply eyeliner on my upper lash line. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner. Okay guys, our eyeliner is done. I will then go ahead and take my baking powder off using this brush. I will then go ahead and apply the same eyeshadow, which is in the shade Mulberry, on my lower lash line. Once we have put our eyeshadow, we're done with the eyes. Now we're going to move to our cheeks and apply some bronzer and some blush. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using my 𝗂𝗏𝗃 blush in the shade Watermelon. I will make sure I wipe my hands properly before I move on to the lipstick. After blush, I will apply my highlighter by Sephora. After applying highlighter, we will then move on to our lips. For my lips today, I'm applying this YSL lipstick in the shade 206. Along with that, I'm applying it with a lip liner in the shade Red again. It is very old, so I cannot tell you the number, but it looks something like this. It's from L'Oreal. So our lips are done. Now we're left with two things. The first one is a mascara to finish off our eyes. Today I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Mascara. I will now take an earbud and remove all the marks which have come on my eyelid because of the mascara. Now the last thing to do is put a setting spray on our faces. I do not generally do it because I don't think it makes a difference. So our look is complete. That's how we are looking. Now I'm gonna take my headband off and I'm gonna make a sleek ponytail, and then we'll have our finished look. So guys, I have made a chic ponytail. I've put my hair around it so my rubber band doesn't show. To just tighten up the entire look, I'm going to be using this. So the look is now finally complete. I have my hair done, my makeup done, and I'm all dressed to go to the party. Before that, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please comment down below what you guys liked and what would you guys want more from my end. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Much love. Bye.